Welcome back. In this part we're going to create the grid system that lives here and here. Let's go here. I will open my HTML as well here. Put it right here. So I have the player and this is the, let's say, computer. So let me close this one and would go here. This part is for the board. First I will grab the user board. So let's say player board. I might use it later on, so it's good to save it in a variable. Document dot get element by ID of player as is here. And another one is for the computer board. And this is for computer, like so. And for each of these I need to create the grid. So I will have a function called create grid that will take this and this so that I can do it in one go. So here is the function create grid. It will take an element which is of type HTML element. Then I have this is like this, and I need to put the mark here so that I know these are here. So my grid is 10 by 10, so I need to loop like 100 times, and each time create a cell and add it to the element that I have. So for, let's say I going from 0 to less than 100. Let's say the cell, not zel, but cell is the new div that I want to create. So document dot create element of type div. Now before adding it I need to give it some class. So the class list, then add the class of cell so that I can style it and use it later on. And let's give it some ID as well so that later I know which div is being clicked. And let's say it's like cell dash the ID, and this is okay, and this is I not ID. Okay, and then I need to add this to the element. So element dot append cell, like so. So let's go to the browser and see what we did. Go here, refresh, go to the body, let's do the computer. So we have the flit, and then we have all of these cells going from here to 99. Same goes for the computer, like so, and great. Let's head back. Now I need to style these two so that I can use them as grid. So here player and computer, I will give them some class, let's say like board, and then head to the styles part. Here I would say that this has the max width of, let's say, 1000 pixels, so it doesn't grow big, and the margin is let's say auto, so that it goes into the center. Okay, then what else should we do? So let me go down here, and for the board class that we just added to the HTML, we will say that it's a grid. It will be 10 by 10, so grid template columns is repeat 10 times 1 fr. Same goes for the rows, and let's keep the aspect ratio of 1, and this will probably mess up our entire grid system because we have this one, so I need to say that this is going from left to the right. So if we go here, so you can see this is getting smaller, the same size, and these are all the same size, but I want this to go from left to the right. So here in this styles part, I can say that the board that I have, not the Battleship, but the board that I have, then the P, the column goes from left to the right. Go back here, and as you can see now, this has the entire width, and all of the rest are having the size that they need to have. So let's give some styles to the cells as well. Aspect ratio is 1 to 1, so that they are square. And let's give them some border so that we can see them. And let's go with this color. Great. Now we have our grid system in place as well. I can rotate. And now you can see I can drag them, but I cannot drop them. So we will fix these ones in the next video.